Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring cloud security best practices and tools. Whether you're new to cloud environments or you've already started working in one, this lesson will give you practical insights into how to secure cloud infrastructure effectively and efficiently. The objective of this lesson is to help you 1. Understand best practices for secure cloud configuration and system hardening. 2. Learn how Cloud Security Posture Management (CSPM) tools help improve cloud visibility and compliance. 3. Identify the role of automated security testing and continuous compliance in cloud security. 4. Secure cloud configuration and hardening best practices. Let's start with cloud configuration. When we say secure configuration, we're referring to the process of setting up cloud systems to reduce vulnerabilities and minimize attack surfaces. Here are key best practices to follow. 1. Enable Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA. This adds a second layer of security, especially for administrative accounts. 2. Use the principle of least privilege, PoLP. Only give users the exact permissions they need, no more, no less. 3. Disable unused services. Any unused open ports, storage buckets, or services should be deactivated. 4. Encrypt sensitive data. This protects data even if it's exposed. 5. Regularly patch and update. Apply security patches and software updates regularly to close known vulnerabilities. 6. Enable logging and monitoring. Turn on native logging features like AWS CloudTrail, Azure Monitor, or Google Cloud Logging to track what's happening in your environment. Now, let's look at CSPM tools, a big help when managing multiple configurations, which is called Cloud Security Posture Management. So, what are CSPM tools? Cloud Security Posture Management tools help automate the detection and remediation of misconfigurations across cloud services. They ensure your infrastructure aligns with compliance frameworks and best practices. Here are some popular CSPM tools. 1. AWS Security Hub centralizes security alerts and compliance checks. 2. Azure Security Center offers threat protection and posture management. 3. Prisma Cloud, by Palo Alto Networks, offers deep visibility and risk analysis across clouds. 4. Checkpoint Cloud Guard helps enforce security policies automatically. All these tools scan for vulnerabilities, flag misconfigurations, and suggest fixes, making them essential for maintaining a secure cloud posture. As we proceed, we will talk about automated security testing and continuous compliance. Security is no longer a one-time activity, it must be continuous. Here's how automated security testing and compliance fit in. This includes regular, vulnerability scans, security unit tests, and static analysis. Also, tools like Aqua-Trivi, Checkov, and a WASP Zap are commonly used. In addition to automated security testing, let's talk about continuous compliance. Cloud environments are dynamic, new instances can pop up anytime. Tools like HashiCorp Sentinel, Open Policy Agent, OPA, and Bridgecrew. All these tools help to ensure that your infrastructure always complies with internal policies and external regulations. To enhance automated security testing and continuous compliance, there is a need for a software development practice like CI/CD integration, which is called continuous integration and continuous delivery. This particular security integration is part of your DevOps pipeline. Use plugins and integrations to scan infrastructure as code, IAC, templates, container images, and serverless functions before they go live. Let's recap what we've covered in this lesson. We explored best practices for secure configuration and system hardening. We introduced CSPM tools and how they help enforce good security posture. We discuss the importance of automated testing and continuous compliance in modern cloud environments. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks you for watching.